Okay, so we're sanding floors today, and you can tell that it's really disgusting. There's lots of paint on the ground and dirt everywhere. So what we'll start to do is just kind of clean it up, sweep it up, get the stuff off the floor. We can take the tack strips off. Um, and now you can see me sanding backwards with the sander, and that's really just because it's kind of heavy, and that's the best way you can move it without sanding too much of the floors. You really just go over it 2 or 3 times to get the best result. You can do it more than that, but for right now, that's all we're doing. Right here, you can see my dad explaining to Colton that just how it works and the way to move it. So pulling it down is really just for the wheels and moving it around, and then pushing it back up is when you can start sanding. So you just have to line it up with where you want it from the wall into the other wall to really get it to the right spot and start sanding backwards. Then the next thing you have to do is get the small little sander like my dad has here to get the stuff the big sander didn't get, and the little strip between the wall. But for the most part, this is kind of the finished product. This is what is left, and we just gotta clean it up. Anyway, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.